Have you ever felt trapped between a series of challenges where success seems far away? In a world that constantly urges us to achieve everything immediately, patience becomes a valuable yet rare skill. But did you know that patience is the key that opens the door to great achievements? The journey to success is not a sprint but a long journey requiring perseverance and the right mindset. Let's explore the hidden power of patience, the factor that determines all the peaks in your life. Hello everyone, welcome to the Stoic Lessons channel. This is where we explore profound philosophies of life and valuable lessons to develop ourselves. Through these videos, you will find inspiring stories, essential skills to face difficulties, and mindsets that help you live a meaningful life. In this video, we will explore the power of patience, the journey to success. Let's embark on a journey of self-discovery and make positive changes in life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on the latest insights. Now, let's begin. Stoicism is an ancient philosophical school emphasizing the importance of controlling emotions, living in harmony with nature, and focusing on what is within our control. One of the core virtues of this philosophy is patience, the ability to endure and overcome difficulties without being swayed by negative emotions. Patience not only helps us face adversity but also serves as the key to long-lasting success. Stoic philosophers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius greatly valued patience. They believed that life is filled with challenges and adversities, and how we respond to them determines the quality of our lives. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This highlights that we can choose to respond calmly and patiently to any situation. Marcus Aurelius, in his work Meditations, wrote, "If you are distressed by any external thing, it is not the thing itself that disturbs you, but your judgment of it, and you can revoke that judgment at any time." This shows that patience is not just the ability to endure but also the ability to control our reactions to external events. The power of patience brings many benefits on the journey to success. Emotional control. Patience helps us stay calm in stressful situations, avoiding rash reactions that lead to mistakes. Focus on long-term goals. Patient people aren't distracted by short-term rewards but stay focused on long-term goals, leading to lasting success. Developing persistence. Patience helps us keep pushing forward even in the face of failure, viewing each failure as a lesson on the road to success. Improving relationships. Patience helps us listen and understand others, building good relationships and effective collaboration. The journey to success through the lens of Stoicism. Stoicism teaches that success is not just measured by the final result but by how we face the journey. Patience plays a key role in this. Accept what you can't control. We cannot control everything, but we can control our reactions. Accepting this helps us focus on what we can change and avoid wasting energy on what is beyond our reach. Training the mind. Patience is the result of training the mind not to be swayed by negative emotions. This helps us maintain calmness and clarity in all situations. Acting with virtue. Stoicism emphasizes living according to virtue and reason. Patience helps us act rightly, even when it takes time and effort. Applying patience in daily life. To develop patience through Stoic thinking, we can practice. Remind yourself of what you can control, focus on the things you can control and accept what you cannot. Practice self-reflection. Spend time each day reflecting on your actions and reactions, looking for ways to improve. View difficulties as learning opportunities. See every challenge as an opportunity to practice patience and grow. Maintain calmness. Use meditation or deep breathing techniques to maintain calmness in stressful situations. The journey of cultivating patience through Stoic thinking. Stoicism teaches that patience is not a fixed state, but a skill that can be developed through daily practice. Below are important steps to build and reinforce patience in life. Understanding the nature of challenges. In Stoic philosophy, every challenge is an opportunity to strengthen the mind and character. Epictetus emphasized, "Adversities are tests to see how strong you are. If you want to grow, you must learn to face them rather than avoid them." We often lose patience when faced with challenges because we feel they are unfair or undeserving. However, according to Stoic thinking, difficulties are a natural part of life. Accepting them is the first step toward building patience. Focus on the present. A core principle of Stoicism is focusing on the present moment. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Do not worry about the future. The future will come in its time. The present is all you can control." When we feel impatient, it's often because our minds are caught up in unnecessary worries about the future. Instead of thinking about what might happen, focus on the next step you can take right now. Use waiting times as opportunities to learn. In daily life, we often have to wait, at traffic lights, in long lines at the bank, or when facing delays in work. Instead of feeling frustrated, see these waiting times as opportunities to practice patience. An effective exercise is to use waiting time for meditation, deep breathing, or reflecting on a philosophical lesson. This not only helps you stay calm but also transforms wasted time into utilized time. Train the mind through self-discipline. Patience requires discipline, the ability to resist short-term temptations to achieve long-term goals. According to Stoicism, every small action we take daily contributes to building patience. For example, set a goal to develop a small habit, such as reading for 15 minutes each day. Practice enduring discomfort, such as completing a difficult task or facing a challenging social situation without avoiding it. These small actions form the foundation for developing a strong, patient mindset. Learn to adjust expectations. Impatience often arises from having expectations that are too high or unrealistic. When things don't go as planned, we easily become frustrated or discouraged. Stoicism advises, "It is not the world that needs to change, but your perception of it." Adjust your expectations to align with reality. This doesn't mean giving up on high goals, but rather understanding that the path to success is always filled with obstacles. Evaluate success based on progress, not results. One of the most effective ways to maintain patience is to focus on the small steps taken each day, rather than worrying about reaching the final outcome. Seneca said, "Happiness is not the destination, but the journey." When you evaluate success based on effort and progress, you'll feel motivated to continue, even when the goal is still far off. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a crucial element in maintaining patience. When you feel grateful for what you already have, you become less fixated on what you haven't achieved. Marcus Aurelius reminded, "Remember that everything you have today was once something you desired in the past." Take a few minutes each day to write down things you are grateful for. This not only helps maintain a positive mindset but also provides the motivation to keep persevering. Practicing patience in daily life. To make patience an essential part of life, we need to combine theory with practice. Here are some specific suggestions for practicing patience daily. Patience at work. Work is an area that requires high patience, especially when you face long-term projects, challenges, or difficult colleagues. Here are some ways to practice patience at the workplace. Break tasks down into smaller stages. Completing each step will help you feel motivated and reduce frustration when looking at the whole project. Learn to listen. Instead of rushing to give your opinion, take the time to listen and understand the perspectives of others. This not only helps you become more patient but also improves relationships with coworkers. Accept changes beyond your control. When faced with unexpected obstacles, remember that you cannot control everything. Focus on adapting rather than reacting negatively. Patience in relationships. In personal relationships, patience is a key factor in building and maintaining trust, respect, and love. A few suggestions include: understand that everyone has their own pace, not everyone thinks or acts like you. Give others time to develop in their own way. Practice forgiveness. When someone disappoints you, instead of reacting immediately, take time to calm down and think it over. This helps you avoid saying or doing things you might regret later. Create space for communication. Instead of feeling frustrated when others don't understand you, patiently explain your point of view clearly and gently. Patience with yourself. Practicing patience with yourself is the foundation for building patience in other areas. Remember that you are human, and no one is perfect. A few ways to practice self-patience include: allow yourself to make mistakes. Mistakes are an unavoidable part of learning. Instead of blaming yourself, see each mistake as a valuable lesson. Set realistic goals. Don't force yourself to achieve too much in a short amount of time. Break goals down into smaller steps and progress gradually. Allow time for rest, your body and mind need time to recover. Be patient with this process and don't feel guilty for taking breaks. Success stories from patience. History is full of stories of people who achieved great success through patience and persistence. A prime example is Thomas Edison, who tried over 10,000 times to invent the light bulb. When asked about his patience, he replied, "I haven't failed 10,000 times. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's story is a vivid example of the power of patience. He didn't see each failed experiment as a setback, but rather as a step closer to success. The power of patience in transforming life. Patience not only helps you achieve success in your career, relationships, or personal goals, but it also brings profound changes to your mind and life. When you practice patience, your mind becomes calmer, you are no longer easily swept up by negative emotions or anger. You build respect from others. A patient person is often highly regarded for their ability to control emotions and maintain a calm demeanor. You achieve great goals. The most valuable goals often require time and unwavering dedication. Patience is the key that helps you persist on this journey. Training patience is a lifelong journey. Patience is not a trait you can achieve overnight. It requires continuous practice, day by day, through even the smallest situations in life. More importantly, the journey of training patience is also a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Here are some ways to continue enhancing this power. Find joy in the process. One of the biggest challenges in practicing patience is the desire to quickly see results. However, if you only focus on the outcome, you will easily lose motivation. Instead, learn to find joy in the process. Enjoy every small step. Every time you make progress, even if it's a small step, acknowledge it and reward yourself. See challenges as lessons. Every difficulty you face is an opportunity to learn and grow. Connect with a bigger goal. Remember that all your current efforts contribute to a bigger picture you are building. Build a resilient mindset. A resilient mindset helps you maintain patience even when facing significant challenges. To build this mindset, you need to learn to accept reality. Instead of worrying or getting frustrated about what cannot be changed, focus on what you can control. Maintain gratitude. Be grateful for the positive aspects of life. This helps reduce stress and increase endurance. Be adaptable. Life doesn't always go as planned, but flexibility will help you stay calm and patient. Remind yourself of the importance of patience. Sometimes, you may feel tired and want to give up. In such moments, remind yourself of why you started and the value of patience. Write down your goals, read them every day to keep your motivation high. Visualize the outcome. Clearly imagine what you will achieve by continuing to be patient. Remind yourself that everything takes time. Look at successful people to realize that no one achieves success without patience. Seek support from the community. No one has to face challenges alone. Having a community or support group can help you overcome difficult moments. Connect with people who share the same goals. They will inspire and motivate you to continue. Learn from others' experiences. Those who have overcome challenges will share valuable lessons with you. Share your journey. When you share your efforts, you also receive encouragement and support. In the end, view patience not only as a skill but as a gift you give to your future. What you sow today with patience will be the sweet fruit you reap later. True success is not the destination but the journey you bravely walk through. With patience, you not only achieve success but also become a stronger, deeper, and more meaningful person. Always remember, every great success begins with small steps, but it is sustained by the power of patience. Conclusion. Patience is one of the most powerful qualities a person can possess. It is not just the ability to wait but also how you act during the waiting process. With a foundation of Stoic thinking, patience becomes a sharp tool that helps you face challenges, overcome adversity, and move closer to your grandest goals in life. Success is not a straight line, and the roads to the top are always filled with twists and obstacles. Only those who are persistent and keep striving can reach their destination. Patience gives you the strength to stand firm when everything gets tough, not to lose hope in failure, and to keep taking action even when the results are not clear. That is the distinguishing factor between truly successful people and the rest. In this journey, patience also teaches you how to live fully in the present, focus on what you can control, and not let unnecessary worries obscure your goals. Each passing day, with patience, you not only get closer to success but also become a better version of yourself. Trust that every effort made with patience and determination will bear fruit. When you trust the process and keep taking action, success is no longer far away. Patience is the path, the inner strength that helps you build a meaningful life and achieve great dreams. So, together we have explored a new piece of knowledge today. I hope you feel more motivated to continue growing and moving closer to your goals. Never stop learning and always stay persistent on the path of personal development. If you found this video useful and interesting, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future videos. Also, please leave your comments below so we can interact and connect more. This is where we will continue to discover more tips to help you become the best version of yourself. Thank you for always being with us. Wishing you success and happiness on your journey.